Ladies and gentlemen, making his way to the ring, Extreme Enigma. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out here to discuss two different topics. I like the fact that you're probably used to seeing us on this trampoline with a wrestling ring, but sometimes we'll be swapping different areas to here. So we may be finishing the show here, we may be finishing it somewhere else. As for me, I'm going to finish off Monkey Mojo by leaving him face down onto a brick. But right now, a lot of you don't exactly know about our rivalry. It's, I'm the champion, he's got the briefcase. But at SCH, I look to defend my title so I can bash his little skull.
And now, ladies and gentlemen,
Gold.
Monkey Mojo.
I didn't get to make my point, but okay.
Alright, you need to stop running your mouth to all these fans because everybody knows nobody cares about you. Understand? Got it? I said got it.
How do I have to get this in your head? In high school, all these people don't know. We went to high school together. And there were several differences between me and you. See, I got the girl. You got the guy. I got the grades. You got... I got everything you wanted to be, but you couldn't get. Because you are just a failure.
What about the wrestling team then? What about when I slammed you? Huh? Slammed you, beat you. And guess what? I've never been beaten at that. And plus, your mom thought I was pretty great.
I'm telling you right now, that one time was a fluke. Remember? I went on to win the championship. You didn't.
I was eliminated by a person that you would never beat. Randy Orton.
Shut up, Zach Jones. Seriously. Either Zach Jones want to be or Randy wouldn't want to be.
You knew Randy Orton went into high school, right? You didn't know, right?
I don't know. Because either way, I could have beat him.
Well,
Besides, I'm pretty sure that just might be your imagination. Well,
what about Debbie, huh? Shut up. What about myself? Hey, remember when you liked that guy Roberto? Huh? Remember?
remember when I was completely better than you at everything?
Yeah.
Don't try it.
Oh. You know, you might be a champion, but you definitely didn't win it. To all these fans, I'm the champion.
Remember last week when you got beaten down by Tyler the Dude Bruce?
Remember how gay he was?
Oh, nice try. But that's something we can both agree on.
Got that right. Oh!
Come on. Got hit by a Funkin' stand.
No. Wait.
Before I beat the crap out of you, how about we make this into a little match? And this match is a 2 out of 3 falls match. One, two.
One, two, three. You know, like Monkey Mojo has one pinfall. Now the punk.
Oh, not today.
Yes, I think today.
One, two, three.
Now Extreme Enigma has one fall. Next fall wins. One, two, three. Here's your winner, Monkey Mojo. STH, me and you in an Olympic style wrestling match. Unless he was really better.